It's really it's part of it. About this part of it.
Stop! That's not my job! I have a lot of things to do too. Please leave me alone!
Okay, sorry.
So, good morning everyone, and we're here to clarify the yesterday's work and find out a solution that works for everyone. So, first, let's start with your perspective, Alexander.
Thank you, Martin. Since today, while handling customer calls, I asked the man help if he could assist with a difficult case. Because I was already handling reports. Instead of helping me, he raised his voice and said it wasn't his job. Our leader saw it too.
Okay, thanks for sharing that, and Tumaya, let's hear your side.
I really did during my voice line. I was stressed with multiple customers waiting. I felt overwhelmed and pressured when Alexander asked for help. I knew it came out wrong, but I wasn't trying to be rude.
I noticed the issue from the desk and both of you were under pressure. That team was short-staffed yesterday and the tensions were high. And communications broke down and that's something we need to address.
So, thank you, Dante, and thank you for the both of you. You have a valid points. And stress definitely can affect the communication. But raising your voices in the workplace is not acceptable, and ignoring a request for help creates tension. What do you both think would have prevented this situation?
Maybe if we had a clear distribution task, or have a meeting to talk calmly, maybe that's first.
Great! Then here's what we'll do moving forward. First, improve communication. If someone needs help, speak politely and clarify urgency. Second, acknowledge stress. If someone is overwhelmed, say so respectfully. Third, team rotation adjustments. That they will help organize the task more effectively during peak hours. Does this sound reasonable to everyone?
Yes, I can manage that.
Yes, that works for me.
I agree. I'm sorry and apologize about what happened yesterday. It won't happen again.
Don't worry, I accept your apology.
Thank you everyone, and I appreciate your honesty and cooperation. Let's move forward with better communication and support for each other.